This is the Xiaomi Redmi 10A smartphone, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you gotta make sure that your device is connected to the network, then launch Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, so after the Opera has been successfully downloaded and installed, you gotta launch it. As well as while opening the Opera for the first time, it is required that you set it up. So in here, tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether you want some of the features the Opera has to offer to be enabled from the start. I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to either customize the access and permissions that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs and start, well, using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.